Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's PamLaShawn. If this is your first time visiting, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss an upload from me. If you're an OG, thank you so much for returning. So you guys, I feel like crap. If you hear the noise in the background, it's the dishwasher. I'm letting it run because it was smelling kind of bad. But I'm feeling like crap. I was supposed to go and work out this morning, and normally what I do is I'll get up, make my breakfast at around 7 or 8 o'clock, and I take my vitamins. And I just started taking these this GNC ripped women's Vitapack or something like that, and it's a 30-day supply, but you take like 9 pills. And so I went in and I took the pills and I ate, and I was taking the pills as I was eating, and I just started feeling really sick. And I was supposed to leave and go to the gym at 10. This was around 8 o'clock that I took the medicine. Y'all, excuse me, that's Jeremiah. Go watch your show. So anyways, that was around 8 o'clock that I finished and everything, and I started feeling really sick. So around 9 o'clock, I just went ahead and laid down. And normally I go to the gym around 9:30, 10 o'clock, and I just laid in the bed. I kept feeling like I was going to throw up. I just felt so bad. But neither here nor there, I'm going to go ahead and still record this video because I need to make sure that I'm staying on schedule. I said that I wanted to have videos out every Monday and Thursday, and I'm trying my best to actually stick with that. I've been having problems with Final Cut Pro, so it's been causing me not to be able to upload like I supposed to. But I did upload on Monday, and that video seemed to, you guys seem to really like that video, and I appreciate that. So this one will be out tomorrow. I want to get to the point where I am recording and I have videos where they're like ready to go, and that's what I want to do. So I'm going to show you all the oven. That's what I'm getting ready to start cleaning. I'm going to clean the oven, do a really deep clean. Y'all, I know it's kind of bright, but I fixed the ISO on here, but the sun is coming out now and it's like going in and out, so sorry about the lighting if it's a little off. But I'm going to show you all the oven. Don't be too judgmental, y'all. I have really abandoned this oven, but I'm about to get it together today, so I'm going to show you all what it's looking like. Let me get the camera and turn it around just a second. So this is the oven. As you can see, it's really dirty. The glass is. Also, this part right here is really dirty also, especially back here. Someone came over and they cooked and it wastes all in the oven, and I just kind of, I don't know, I should have cleaned it right then and there, and I didn't. But even when the kids, when they're putting stuff in the oven, they don't always clean it the way that they're supposed to. Let me see if I can make this a little lighter so you guys can, there we go. All right, so here it is. And it does have a self-clean on here. I think you have to let it run for about 2.5 hours. I'm not going to do that because it's going to take long. I'm just going to go in and clean it myself. So this is it, guys. This is it. Look, all in there. Very disgusting. Stains. Very disgusting. Quite embarrassing. I really don't want to show you all that, but I am. And then here, I have the new liner that's going to go in here. Let me bring this down. I have the new one that's going to go here. As you can see the difference, there's a huge difference. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this flathead screwdriver to take off this lining part first, and then we're going to take off the glass. Oh, actually, I don't even need it. So this is what I'm using to take the screws out. I don't know what this is called. I'm gonna ask my husband what this is called, but this is what I'm using. Okay, so I don't know if y'all just saw what just happened. As soon as I got this last screw out, this popped up, which means that this would have definitely failed. So you want to make sure that you have some kind of support under here so that that does not happen. Okay, so I want to show you all something. I don't know if you can see. Yes, there you go. You see all of that gooey stuff? I'm going to go ahead and clean it out. And then I'll clean the glass, and then I'll clean in the oven. But look how disgusting it is. Even like here along the edges, and there's a lot going on. A lot of gunk. So I'm going to start cleaning that down. What I do want to do first is, before I do that, I'm going to spray this in the inside because I want to let it sit for a while I'm cleaning the outside of it. So I'm going to go ahead and spray this in first, and then I'll clean the gunk and stuff that's there. One of my last cleaning hauls that I had, and I'll post that right at the top here so that you guys can see it. I did a little haul where I picked up some things from Lowe's, and this was one of the things that I picked up for the oven. So I'm going to use this to scrub the outside and the inside of it. And I'm going to use microfiber towels also to help me get the gunk out and to get everything nice and clean.
To keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it.
Okay, so as you can see, the glass is clean, but the inside I have not finished yet. I wiped it down just a little bit, but I'm sprayed the easy off on so that it can sit for a little while, because it wasn't coming up as easy as it did on this glass. Even with a little bit of elbow grease, it was not coming up. So I'm gonna let it sit for about an hour, and then I'll come back and do it again. wipe it down again. Okay, so it's been sitting for about 45 minutes, not even a full hour. I just let it sit while I finish eating my lunch and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this to see if it'll come up.
Monday came and swept away all the fun of yesterdays, but I'm gonna hold it together. This ain't forever. Need a shot and then a beat, somewhere to let out some steam. I'm not the one to say never, never say never. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it. Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it.
Okay, so this is it, everybody. It's all clean, nice and clean, and the inside, of course, is not as perfect as I would like for it to be, but that's what happens when you don't take care of your oven. But for the most part, it is nice and clean. I'm just gonna put the little gasket thing back on, and then after that, it'll be all done. Okay, so I just want to show y'all this real quick. If y'all see these little things that's on the end, so there's some little holes that's in the oven, on the oven door right here, and you have to take these and push them in the inside. And then each one of these have a hole that it will go into too also. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. But each one of these have a hole that they go into, and so does these little things right here. Y'all can see. Okay, you guys, so this is the end of the video. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. I gave it my best, you guys. I'm so sorry. I was so sick trying to record this. And when I was going back editing, I can actually see in my face at the beginning of the video that I was very sick. I felt sick. I looked sick. But I still recorded and I still did what I had to do because that's a part of life. So the oven is all clean. I'm very pleased with how it came out. It looks really, really good. You guys, if you have not already, please make sure that you subscribe, like, share, comment, all those good things. I thank you all so much and have a great week ahead of you and a weekend.